Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a tip on Uber Eats, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that just watch the video till the end. I will show you the methods and the ways how you can do it. So there are two ways available how you can do it. First is simply going to your order, and when you have added a particular tip in your order list already, you can tap on edit and you can change it. Simply have to tap on the edit option to change the amount. Once I've changed, tap on save and continue for you to continue with the order. The next thing is from the order section, you just have to go to go to your account, and you have to tap on the orders, scroll down and select the particular order, tap on edit amount, and next to the tip, yes, edit amount, next to the tip amount of yours, again add the new amount that you would like to change it to, tap on confirm and continue, and you're good to go. Your amount will be changed, and that is basically how it works. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.